Imagine yourself in this Kia 2019 Soul Base. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 1.6L-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 130 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, clock, in-radio display and dust sensing headlights. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.